I worked for a large government department. I had a lot of staff. It was trade related. So previous to that, Carmen and I have always had small businesses, but then we veered away from that for that period of time. And for about 8 or 9 years, like I said, I worked for a large government organisation employing a lot of people, a trade related and training type of business, and Carmen sold cars. It's great. Carmen and I have always worked together apart from that brief spell otherwise. No, and when we moved here to southeast Queensland, and we were starting a new life, one of the criteria was that we were able to work together again. So this was sort of business we were looking for. The relationship with the clients is essential. I bend over backwards to make sure they're happy. I try hard to give them value for money. So I work on having a great relationship with the clients. They tell me how, they say jump and I say how high. They are the key to the whole thing. So I strive to have a good relationship. At the same time, if they're completely over the top, I will back away. But in an extreme situation. Yes, we have. The first couple of years we was more work than life while we're setting up our business, but our business is starting to roll along on its own now, and we are finding more time to spend at the beach. Well, that was interesting. It was good to be the first one in hindsight, because we got a lot of help from Jacob, because he wanted us to succeed as much as we wanted ourselves to succeed. So we got a lot of help. It was very raw and green in the early days, and so I've seen the whole thing become more sophisticated and to grow, and we've all grown through it. So yeah, so how I've seen FCF change, it's changed a lot from one franchisee to what I think is now 7, covering the whole of Australia. So it's growing big time. Oh, I think it's a great business model. I saw this type of business, this compliance type of business a long time ago, and I always thought then what a great type of business it was. And this particular model as well, Jacob strives for excellence in his product, and so he leads a great team. FCF's got a great future.